Good morning students. In the previous video we have studied about temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. It tells you how hot or cold something is. We have also discussed the different temperature scales like Kelvin scale, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Today in this video we will learn how to convert the temperatures given in Celsius scale into Kelvin scale and from Kelvin scale to Celsius scale. So let us see how we can do it. Now, yesterday I had discussed with you that the absolute zero in Kelvin scale is minus 273 degree Celsius, and that means there is a difference of 273 between Celsius and Kelvin. So when we will try to convert Celsius to Kelvin, we need to add 273. Right? So let us try with these examples. So we can write the formula as Kelvin is equal to Celsius plus 273. So here the given temperature is 55. So instead of degree Celsius, I will write 55 and plus 273. So what will be the answer? 5 and 3 is 8, 5 and 7, 12 and 1 carry. So we will get 328 Kelvin. Yesterday only I told we will not write degree with the Kelvin temperature. Right? Second example, 0 degree Celsius. Using the same formula, K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. We will get 0 plus 273 gives you 273 Kelvin. That means the melting point of ice in Kelvin is 273 Kelvin. Next, 100 degree Celsius. Use the same formula. K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. So 100 plus 273 gives you 373 Kelvin. Right? Question number 4. 25 degree Celsius. So I won't write the formula again. I will just add 25 degrees plus 273 will give you 298 Kelvin. Understood? And last one, 250. That is K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. So 250 plus 273 gives you here 3, 5 and 7, 12 and carry 1, 3 and 2, 5. 523 Kelvin. So this is how we can convert degree Celsius into Kelvin by adding 273 to it. Now, if we want to do the opposite, that is, if the temperature is given in Kelvin and we want to convert it into Celsius, what we will do? Here we have added 273. In that conversion from Celsius to Kelvin, we will subtract. Okay. Sorry, Kelvin to Celsius, we will subtract. So let us change the question now. So we make it here. Kelvin to Celsius. Let's take the first example, 300 Kelvin. So, there is a difference of 273 Let's take another example, 0 Kelvin. So, degree Celsius is equal to K minus 273 and 0 minus 273. What will be the answer? Minus 273, right? Degree Celsius. The next is 800 Kelvin. Again, degree Celsius is equal to K minus 273. So, given temperature in Kelvin is 800. Subtract 273 from it. You will get here 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So, 527 degree Celsius. I hope you are getting the topic. Next is 373 Kelvin. Degree Celsius is equal to K minus 273. The given temperature is 373 Kelvin. Subtract 273 from it. You will get 100 degree Celsius. So, we can say that boiling point of water in Kelvin scale is 373 Kelvin and in Celsius is 100 degree Celsius. Let's take one more. Number 5, we will take it as 273 Kelvin. So, degree Celsius is equal to K minus 273. Given temperature is also 273. So, 273 minus 273 will give you 0. So, children, I hope you have understood the topic. Please try these numericals on your own. I am giving you few examples here. You can solve on your own. And make sure you write these in your copy also. Kelvin and 298 Kelvin. Convert them into Celsius. If you have any doubt, do contact me. Thank you.